pag-usapan natin ang prostate cancer. Kong.
Yes.
Ano ba?
Ano ba ang prostate cancer?
Yes, yun ang basic question.
Oo, kasi nowadays kasi tumataas na ang incident ng, lalo na sa ating mga kalalakihan with regards to prostate cancer, no? Before kasi, it ranks not even among the top 10
Yes.
of the deadliest cancer, no?
Cancers.
Ang number 1 is breast, you have the lungs, ganon, the colonic. Now, nagra-rank na siya number 7 to 8. O, di ba? Humahabol.
Pumasok
Ang
na sa
galing,
top
di ba? O, top 10
pero
na.
di pa madali naman yung ma-detect.
Madaling ma-detect ninang kung early. Even early kasi there's some peculiarity of prostate cancer. Kasi what is the peculiarity of your prostate cancer? When you detect it as early, that's good. No? Then if you do not follow up, pupunta siya sa
Next
Next
stage.
advanced stage. Hindi siya kagaya ng cancer na first stage ang movement. It could jump from a very low stage to a very advanced stage.
Anong age ka dapat na talagang magpakonsulta na prone ka na talaga na magka-cancer?
40 and above.
So ano naman yung kailangan mong treatment or yung parang consultation?
Unang-una kasi, Ninang, dapat nating alamin, di ba? Kung meron ka nang nararamdaman mga simptomas, nahirapan especially yung pag-ihi ng dugo, no? Pati yung pag yung similya mo, may dugo na hematospermia, yun ang mga dapat i-considera. Then, sumasakit yung balakang mo, more often than not, no? Then, yun, kailangan magpasuri ka. Tapos, pag magpapa-examine ka, yung PSA na sinasabi, ayun, when you see the illustration there, no? Yung normal, hindi nagbabara yung sa daanan ng ihi. Pag malaki ang prostata mo, medyo block yung urethra mo. Okay? Mabablock yung urethra mo dito. Now, pag prostate cancer kasi, may nodule siya eh. It's a hard nodule, no? So, nakakapa yan when you do your rectal examination. No? When you do your annual rectal examination. Okay? So, makakapa mo, may firmness at medyo matigas. Now, usually, ginagawa natin, Ninang ko, pinapa-examine yung pasyente, tapos pinapa-blood exam, yung PSA, pinapa-ultrasound. Then kung kailangan ibabiopsy namin yung area. Now, before kasi, ang sinasabi nila, even if you biopsy it, if you do not hit the right area wherein you have the early stages of cancer, later on, yung false positive na na-biopsy na normal, nagiging cancerous yung labas, no, after ng biopsy repeated. So, ang dapat natin tandaan, pero pag may mga simptomas, kasi ang simptomas ng paglaki ng prostata, pareho sa simptomas ng prostate cancer. They are very, very similar. No, ang ano lang natin tatandaan lang, pag umihi ka na o may bahid na ng dugo yung ihi mo, you have to consider that as a consideration. Then, pag nalaman na natin yung stage ng cancer, no? Kailangan mabigyan na ng immediate treatment. Marami kasi tayong treatment yan eh. You have your oral hormonal treatment, you have your injectable, you can have surgical treatment, non-invasive treatment. Meron rin tayo yung pag-advanced stage na, yung cryotherapy, pinifreeze yung prostate. Then yung brachytherapy, linalagyan ng radioactive seeds, ganun.
Yung cryotherapy, Doc, anong success rate niyan?
Mataas rin siya because you freeze. The thing is, yung tumor mo, you don't kill the tumor.
Yeah.
You let the tumor becomes dormant. Pag sinabing dormant, patutulugin mo lang siya.
Doc, sabi mo freeze the tumor lang, no? Not the entire prostate, no?
But
The entire prostate.
O, so paano yan? Frozen yan?
Frozen siya.
Forever?
Hindi naman
Kaya mo bumalik yung cancer, wag mo i-defrost.
But does it guarantee...
Well,
Ano i-defrost?
i-defrost mo,
Doc,
i-unplug mo.
ito serious question. Does it affect or does it promise you na hindi kakalat yung cancer once you freeze it?
At least it prolongs your survival
It's just prolonged.
rate. Yes.
Ito ba yung sa China, Doc?
Sa China,
Yes.
they have one.
Doc, yung miss na parating kumakalat.
Overuse or underuse?
Yes.
Can
Totoo ba
cause
yan?
prostate cancer or BPH? No.
No? Yung nasisipa.
Ano sisipa?
Nasisipa, gano'n, natatamaan.
Yeah, what's the cause?
na genetic. Tsaka yung imbalance ng hormones ng ano.
Pwede bang hindi mo makita yung mga symptoms na yan? Kunyari, walang blood, tapos walang masakit, pero pwede ka rin magkaroon yan?
Yes, eventually. Pag pag hindi mo na nakikita yung simptomas, ang pinaka-prominent na sign ng prostate CA is yung nangangalay ka at masakit yung pelvic bone mo.